So since I started talking about this stock, it has already moved up by 660%. So I would definitely suggest you to check out all my previous videos on this particular stock. And in this video, what we are going to discuss over here is the upcoming trend in the long term. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video, we are going to discuss about the long-term chart of Jaguar Health Inc. And as you can see here, after hitting the high or the recent high of $4.46, the stock has been I would say correcting and consolidating a bit. Now the problem is people don't like boring stocks. When the stock started correcting and consolidating, they or everybody wants a rise on daily basis, which is not common. And if people expecting these kind of movements, then it's a la la land. So I don't think this is reasonable by any means. And also you need to understand that stock has started rallying from I think 15 or 20 cents, 19 or 20 cents, and since then it has given you a return of 2100%, 2100% worth of return has actually given by this stock. So if the stock is correcting and consolidating for next couple of weeks or months even, so it is not a big deal. Actually, that's quite normal and that has to happen. Okay. So what is happening is very normal, but the money making business is a serious but at the same time is a boring business. If you want to do something adventurous, you go to parasailing and do that, but not do parasailing with the money. Otherwise you will soon see that your money is flying into the air. Okay, so don't do these kind of things. And if you are looking at this trend, let me show you how the trend looks like. So some people may find out that the trend is not correct because of some splits which I understand has not been captured in this particular chart, but the trend won't change and we are not going to be uh, and look it out some exorbitant levels which is far from the actual or the reality. We are not going to do that. So what we are going to do here is, here you can see, so let me, okay, so erase the text. So here we have, so first of all you need to understand the current price action, because the stock actually went up to 4.6 and it has made a recent low of 2.39, and now the stock is trading in between 2.39 and 4.6. so that's fine, but on the downside it may extend its downside up to $1.2 as well. Okay, in any bad scenario it may extend its downside towards 1.2. so 1.2 will be your final stop loss. If the stock falls below 1.2, one should not carry any further trend on the downside. That should be very clear. And what is happening in between 2.39 and 4.6 is simply a correction or a consolidation. So if it is the way for this particular stock, and if it does not go below 2.39 or probably the final level 1.2, then it's a very, I would say, strong signal. And once the stock so this is conditional, once the stock again started trading above 4.6 or 4.7, then in the long term the levels which we are going to look at are, so here we have, okay, so these are the levels that we are tracking here on the long term. If the stock sustain above, makes a breakout above 4.6, if it happens, then the next target will be $10 and it could extend up to 26, 25 or $26 on the upside. So these are the two big targets that we are focusing here, but as I told you, this is completely conditional and the stock must make a breakout above 4.6 for any further upside. And below 1.2 one should not carry any further position on the downside. Most importantly, we are looking at a long term chart. Do not simply think that a correction of couple of hours of couple of days will break the trend, and at the same time don't think anything happens overnight or in the next couple of days as well. Trend takes time. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.